Hey guys, this is Vince from What the Text, and today I will be showing you 5 tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. So the first tip is the scroll wheel slide, where you can use the outer perimeter to slide, and yeah. So what you want to do is go to Settings, you want to go to Advanced, and then you want to go to Touch Bezel, and you want to turn this on. So once you do that, you can turn, you can turn anything by just sliding your finger around. The next tip I'll be showing you is how to screenshot on your watch. So what you want to do is you just want to turn it on, and then you want to hold the lower button, and you're trying to slide. Oh, yeah, there we go. And you can just find this in the photos. It'll be there. The third tip I'll be showing you is auto track activity. So what you want to do is go to Health, Samsung Health. Oh, that's photos. So you're going to go to Samsung Health. You want to scroll all the way down to Settings. And then you want to go to Workout Detection. You want to go to Record, or if you want to record your location, you can turn on record your location. And if you want alerts, you can turn it on. But you can go Activities to Detect. You can turn on walking, running, cycling, elliptical trainer, or a rowing machine, swimming, dynamic workout, and it'll automatically track this once it finds out you're actually working this out. So the fourth tip I'm going to show you is how to make it automatically record your your heart rate every 10 minutes. So you want to go back to Samsung Health, and you'll scroll all the way down to Settings again. Oh, all the way down to Settings again. And then you want to go down here and then go HR and stress measurement. And you're going to turn on every 10 minutes, or you can do it manually. And I like every 10 minutes. The last tip I'll be showing you is how to keep your watch always on or always off. So you want to go to Settings. You want to go to Watch Faces. And then you can go to Watch Always On. Watch Always On it's on 24/7, but if Watch Always Off is on, it only turns on when you touch it or when it's pointed at you. Yeah, it saves a lot of battery. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a lot. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and we'll answer it. What the text?